So in my last video, I explored a bunch of bridges and I tried to make use of them. I tried to find out which one were on testnet and which one were on mainnet and try to really basically bridge on them. But then along the line, I saw a question that has to do with getting Starknet USDC from Joseph or Mutade from the Starknet Africa community. And I was like, okay, fine. I'm going to make a video about this. If it's just going to be easy by getting it through a facet, fine. But then if it's going to require a bridge, then I think I might have gotten some experience when it comes to bridging, and I hope I'm able to get Starknet USDC, because for him to be asking about Starknet USDC, I know facets that can give me Stark and ETH on Starknet Sepolia, but then I haven't seen where I can get USDC. So I'm going to try to explore the facet, and if you can't get a facet, then we're going to try bridging. So let's get right into it. So here I'm going to go to Starknet's facet, and then I'm going to try and see if they give USDC right away. If they don't give USDC there, then it means I'm going to get it from by bridging. So here I can only see Stark and ETH, but I'm going to just stack up some Stark and ETH for myself. Going to, where's the copy bot icon? Yeah, here it is. So I'm going to put, I think I want to get some ETH first, so that even if I am not able to get it again, I can always send from my other addresses to get some Stark. Okay, so I'm also going to try to use the same wallet address to get some Stark and see that. I think I need to refresh, because so I'll get a fresh recapture. So here I go, and then I check this and request some. Okay, you see. So for me to get Stark, I think I'll probably use another wallet address to do that. So let me use my first. I'm going to copy it, and then paste, and request. Okay, now I have to refresh again. Stark, verify, request token. All right, so now that I'm done with this, my next plan is to go to Starknet. Starknet, what am I doing? STARK. It's Sepolia. So I'm going to go, first things first, switch to Sepolia, because I made this mistake. I was like, I have some testnet token, but I can't see it reflect. So make sure you switch first. So do I want to connect with this guy? Okay, let me connect with him because I have some Stark there. Okay, so I think what happened here is that I actually did a bridge of my Starknet ETH to Ethereum ETH. So I have that now. So let me see if I can to Starknet what. So what's it saying? I need to. I think I'm not even connected. Okay, I've connected my wallets earlier. So where is, okay, let me add Max. Where is Max? So I can only get like Starknet ETH from Ethereum ETH. So how about let me see. Okay, so now it means that I can get Starknet USDC if I bridge Ethereum USDC. So where can I get Ethereum USDC? I need to find where I can bridge some ETH to USDC, then that USDC to Starknet USDC, right? So there's a whole lot of merry-go-round here. So I can't find where I can directly bridge Starknet or Starknet ETH or Stack to USDC directly. And that means, let me check. Okay, you can see my last bridge. So I did it on 26th. So for me, I basically stacked up some Starknet ETH and then I bridged it to Ethereum, which is what happened here. So now that I have some Starknet ETH and I also do I have some Sepolia ETH that's for Starknet. Let's see. Let me switch back to ETH. So for this particular guy, I have 0. But I think I can just, this is the 99F guy. Okay, so let me see. Bridge Sepolia ETH to USDC. Ethereum, let me add Ethereum here. Let's see. Team base bridge. Can see this is actually a question that people ask. So I hope I'm able to provide a solution to that. So now I have some Ethereum ETH. So I want to, problem now is that bridge actually takes time. Like when I bridged my Starknet ETH to Ethereum ETH, I think it took about 12 hours. Let's see. Let's go back here. And then let me switch back to this place. So maybe one of this Ethereum ETH testnet bridge by layer 0. I was hoping I was going to see like an instant way to get the USDC, but it seems like it's not that instant. You have to go through bridges. But if you have like an Ethereum account, okay, maybe I will need to on VPN at this point. But if you have an Ethereum account where you have some, I think 0.005, I'm not sure, 0.005 Ethereum in it or mainnet, you can easily go and get Ethereum Sepolia ETH, right? So you don't necessarily have to come and get some ETH on Starknet, then bridge to Ethereum before you now start looking for where to bridge to USDC. So just cut that first bridging. That saves you like 12 hours. So now that we've connected, yeah, this guy is back. Testnet bridge. So ETH on, let me see. ETH on Ethereum to let's see, ETH on Sepolia. I'm not sure this is being helpful right now. You are not connected to this network. So, okay, let me try most of the Starknet bridges. Let me see, the first one that comes to mind is layer swap. So I'm not actually, I think my best bet is Starknet, honestly, because that's one bridge that I've successfully used and it works. So I think I should just stick with it. Since I was able to move Starknet ETH to Ethereum ETH, it means I should find a way for me to, now that I have some Starknet ETH, so I should find a way to move my Starknet ETH to, sorry, I should find a way to move my Ethereum Sepolia ETH to Ethereum Sepolia USDC. If I'm able to do that, then I can easily just bridge it to Starknet, because our question says, where can I get Starknet USDT and Sepolia for testing? You get. So this is my best bet, because these other guys, I think I didn't successfully do any bridge on them in my last video. So let me just stick to what works. So the question now is, where can I do this bridging? I think there's this circle that I once used. Let me see. Circle facet. Okay. Testnet facet. So I can get. So let me copy my wallet address first. I just hope this is gonna work. This would be easy peasy if it works. So I put this guy here. I'm on Ethereum Sepolia. Let me see what other chains they support. There is Stellar, Unity, Sui, Solana, Polygon, Polkadot. There is no Starknet here yet. So I'm going to send 10 USDC. Wow. So I got some USDC. So hopefully when I come back to Starknet, it should reflect. Yay! So I'm just rejoicing like I got 10 USDC, like literally the mainnet on. So now you can see this. Then I'll choose max. And now it's beginning to make sense. So then I'm going to continue transfer, please. Okay, so I'm bridging 10 USDC from Sepolia to Starknet. An estimate fee not available. That doesn't. So I'm seeing 3 minutes. Okay. So approved to use fund on MetaMask. And then this guy, spender, this should be like the bridge guys. Then I'm going to confirm, and if it's going to take 3 minutes, then I would wait, because Ethereum took like 12 hours, 12 good hours, half a day. So I'm going to, okay, so transaction, why do I have to? Okay, the other one was approval. I was approving the spender. So now this one is the actual transaction. Hopefully, your first deposit is processing. Explore Starknet opportunities. I've been seeing this avenue. I'm not sure what it is, but I hope I'll get to explore it very soon. Because now I think I've actually gotten what I want with bridges. I've been able to get what I want with bridges. I've explored a whole bunch of bridges, almost all the ones, not almost all the bridges that was listed on Starknet. So now I maybe go to Dexys or lending or staking, who knows. So Ugwu, I've seen this Ugwu a couple of times. Okay, but this is not the video for it. So this is saying deposit was submitted on Ethereum. It's confirming on Ethereum. So it's going to take about 3 minutes. So I'm going to probably pause this video, and then when it's complete, then I'm going to show you guys. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so now you can see that this transaction has been completed, and we've been able to transfer some Ethereum USDC to Starknet USDC. So we've been able to complete a successful bridge. And I'm so happy. I don't know about you, but this is something that makes me happy. So let's go back now to, this is the activity. So this is it here. So we now have 10 USDC on Starknet. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? It is cool. So let's go back here. You can see when I switch up, I can do the same exact thing. And so Joseph Omotade, I've been able to figure it out. So you can go now to stack up some USDC on Circle, faster.circle.com. Then you're going to come back to Starkgate and do the bridging. Easy peasy. So this is Amarachi Ugwu, and until next time, peace. Bye bye.